Hello guys, Khalid here, and today we're going to do our Anker Soundcore Infini review. I thank you Anker for sending me this product, and please check out Anker and link in the description below. This soundbar is all paired up with my TV, and let's get into it. Okay, we're about to do a sound test, but first let me point out some of the specifications. So we've got two dual bass radiators on either side of this, which helps to bring the punch out of that bass and to give a much more deeper sound experience. We have two subwoofers and we've got two tweeters on either side of these, and that helps to give a bit of that surround sound, a bit of that 2.1 channel soundbar surround sound, which when tested with movies on Netflix actually sounds really good. It feels like you have your own mini home cinema. But we're going to test it on some music right now, and I hope you enjoy it. This is about 60% volume. We're going to go to 100 now. Oh, it's 3 in the morning. When you want some, you phone me. One word in Espanol, baby. And I come and you know. Y'all just hate it, they throw it. In Jamaica, they roll it. Girls in Spain do the mostest. But only you got the focus. Girl, I'm down for your loving. Down for my fatty fatty. Down for your loving. Down for my naughty naughty. Down for your loving. I'm giving you loving. Stay with me, cause it's time to say goodbye. Don't leave me alone. Just stay for the night. I need you tonight. Baby, you know that it's time to say goodbye. But don't leave me alone. Just stay for the night. I need you tonight. Baby, you know that it's so as we can see, it is very loud. 100 watts of pure sound output, and especially thanks to these woofers, to these passive subwoofers on the side, it really helps to give that deep bass. You're not getting the full experience behind your phone speaker, so I recommend you guys listen to it with headphones. Okay, let's try another tune. Next tune, let's play it. About 90% volume. Okay, a bit of that sub bass.
Wake up feeling blessed up, pistol on that dresser. Ain't afraid to show it, I'll expose it if I dress up. Riding on that tester, roasted nigga catch up. Sipping on that sepper, turn that stuff like yes sir. Yeah, I'm getting changed, people looking at me strange. Like niggas switching lanes, but the chains are the same. We fuck fish, get paper, we fuck niggas on paper. We get friends with razors, we probably own some tasers. Lame niggas displaced up, they girlfriends one day us. Back at home, I'm getting home, you tell about my pay stub. And niggas be on rice, that they live with dirty Sprite.
100%. So as you can hear, it is still very loud on a range of tunes. Now let's go into our next one. Okay. Make sure you're getting the whole sound experience. It's on 70% volume.
We're nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Let's stare, yes. That's the part you always show us you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Let's stare, yes.
Very deep bass. And now we're gonna quickly put on our last thing. This is the real test. Back live, Flossie Carter. Okay, let's go. Very deep bass. Left beat, right. I'm gonna skip it a bit forward. Go with a different tune. Okay. 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 On max volume now. Wait for it. Let me adjust. Okay, now try another Okay, that's it for the sound review. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, especially if you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out for Anker Soundcore Infini bar in the description, and check out any other of Anker's products. And peace.